How to share your screen during a Microsoft Teams call. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can share or present your screen or windows whenever you are in a Teams meeting. So once you have joined a Teams meeting, it is fairly very easy to share your screen or any windows. So all you will need to do is simply click onto this share button that you can see right here on the top panel. So once you join the meeting, you will be able to see this share button right here, or alternatively, you may also choose to use this shortcut that is appearing, which is Control Shift and the E key. So you can use the Control Shift and E shortcut or simply click onto this share button, and within the share button you have some other configurations, like you can choose to share content which includes sound. So if you are giving a video playback, you can click onto this toggle if you want the video sound to be also present on the meeting. And apart from that, we have two options, that is basically the screen and the windows. So if you will choose screen, then your entire screen will be shared, or if you will only choose windows, then any particular application or any particular windows that you have opened will be shared. So you can use any of them. You can click onto any of them and your screen or window sharing will get started in your Teams meeting. So that was all for this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.